Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fine point tweezers is probably one of the most underrated tools in your beauty or grooming arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, having a reliable pair of tweezers can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of precision tweezers, exploring what makes a great pair, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Antonki 12-pack Precision Tweezers Set. Need to grab something tiny? This set has you covered. It's perfect for crafts, electronics, beauty, and more. With pointed, slant, and flat tips, this set offers a variety of options. You'll find the perfect tweezer for any job. Made from durable metal, these tweezers are built to last. They're a super valued choice for both professionals and hobbyists. The set has an ESD finish to protect against static. The anti-skid handle allows you to hold tiny things precisely. The tweezers come with a case for easy storage and transport. It's a great gift for anyone who needs a reliable tool set. This set is ideal for a wide range of uses. Whether you're working on crafts or beauty, it's a must-have tool. What we like? This set is a true all-rounder, offering 12 different tweezer types for various tasks. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys crafting, electronics, or beauty routines. If you have diverse needs and appreciate having the right tool for every job, you should consider this set. The included case keeps everything organized and safe. What people say. The tweezers are very precise. The points are very fine and grab the finest hairs. The tweezers are well made. Number 4. Sharp Pointed Tweezers Ingrown Hair Removal Kit. This tweezer is made with strong, surgical-grade stainless steel. The extremely sharp tips are perfect for removing ingrown hairs and plucking fine hairs from the root. The fine point makes it easy to grab even the smallest hairs. It's designed for effortless facial hair removal, making it a must-have tool. The micropoint head is perfectly aligned and calibrated for precision. This ensures that it can grab individual hairs with ease. This tweezer is not just for hair removal, it's also great for picking up small objects. It's perfect for crafting and handling tiny items. These tweezers are built to last and designed for comfort. The slim design and soft needle tip make it easy to use without hand fatigue. It's small enough to carry in your handbag for on-the-go use. You can always have it ready whenever you need a precision tool. What we like? These tweezers are designed with an extra fine, sharp point, making ingrown hair removal a breeze. The precision alignment ensures a clean and effective pluck every time. If you are looking for a solution to stubborn ingrown hairs or need a tool for detailed facial hair removal, you should consider this one. The sharp tip makes all the difference. What people say. The tweezers are very precise. The points meet perfectly. They are great for picking up small items. Number 3. GERMANIKURE Pointed Tweezers in Leather Case. These precision tweezers are designed for accuracy. They are ideal for removing splinters, ingrown hairs, and other delicate tasks. The ultrafine pointed tip makes it perfect for women's facial hair. The wide grip offers maximum control for precise grooming and crafting. These professional tweezers are handcrafted in Solingen, Germany. The premium stainless steel is expertly calibrated for precise tip alignment and long-lasting durability. This tool is ideal for eyebrows, removing fine or ingrown hairs, everyday grooming, and delicate work. It works great for women and for crafting tasks. These are strong tweezers, with hardened steel for lasting durability. The precision-aligned fine tip grips hairs or splinters without slipping. These tweezers are made in eco-conscious, socially responsible facilities. You can feel good about using them for your facial hair needs. What we like? Handcrafted in Germany, these tweezers are built to last with superior stainless steel. The wide grip provides maximum control for precise grooming. If you like quality and appreciate the finer things, you should consider these. They are perfect for anyone who values precision and durability in their grooming tools. What people say. The tweezers are very precise. The points are very fine and grab the hair very well. The tweezers are easy to hold. Number 2. Kaverme 6 PCS Precision Tweezers Set. This tweezer set is made of high-strength stainless steel with anti-static and acid-base protection. Remember to put the protective tube back on the sharp tweezers for safety. This set includes 6 different specifications, suitable for various purposes. It's excellent for electronics, medical work, jewelry making, and other fine crafts. The ESD finish protects both the components and the handles from static damage. This feature ensures the safety of your delicate projects. These electronics tweezers are designed for long-term use. The smooth lines and fine processing provide a comfortable experience. If you're not satisfied with this item, please contact us. We will immediately send you a replacement or refund your purchase price. What we like. This set is designed with anti-static stainless steel, making it ideal for electronics and laboratory work. With 6 different configurations, you'll have the right tool for any task. If you are working with sensitive electronics or need a reliable set for detailed work, you should consider this one. The ESD protection ensures the safety of your components. What people say. The Fine Point is perfect for grabbing small hairs. These tweezers are very precise and grab even the finest hairs. The design is great and they are easy to hold. Number 1. MORGLES 5 PCS Eyelash Extension Tweezers. Introducing a set of tweezers designed for every lash extension technique. This set includes a pointed tip for isolation, a 90 degrees tweezer for volume, a dolphin tweezer for eye contouring, a slim tweezer for strong grip, and a curved tweezer for inner corners. They are perfect for both beginners and professionals. These tweezers feature precision stainless steel tips for a secure hold on each lash. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, reducing finger fatigue during application. You'll find it easy to use for a long time. These tweezers aren't just for lashes, they're also great for electronics, jewelry, and crafts. The curved tips allow for easy extraction and shaping of even the thinnest lashes without causing damage. It's a versatile tool for various projects. The set comes with a stylish leather case, perfect for travel and storage. This makes it an ideal gift for women, men, family, and friends on any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this lash tweezer set is for you. The attractive design makes it a great gift. Remember to use the protective cover to keep it away from children. What we like. This set is specifically designed for eyelash extensions, with multiple tweezer types to suit different techniques. The precision tips ensure a secure grip on even the finest lashes. If you are a lash artist or a beginner looking to improve your skills, you should consider these. The included leather case makes them perfect for travel and storage. What people say. The tweezers are very precise and grab even the finest hairs. The points are very fine and align perfectly. They are great for ingrown hairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.